Oi?
Eu consigo um cabinho pequeno pra amarrar, jogar a corda pra esse e botar no...
So, take some food, take some water. I will get the life vest now, okay?
They asked, do you know where you are? I said, no. And they said, this is Brazil. That was the first thing they said, this is Brazil. I said, wow, this is Brazil. I made it to Brazil. I'm happy.
Se botar no amarrar na alça aí.
Não, não precisa amarrar nada, não quebra tudo.
It's my choice. If something is not working for you, you have to leave. It's not working for me. The economy is not working for me. Everything is not working for me. And before I came here, I was homeless. It was a terrible experience for me. Being the first time, I've never tried that before. But because I already made up my mind to leave, so I just summoned the courage, But then it's not easy, seeing those sheep, shaking, I was so scared. But I'm here in Brazil.